Guys, I'm the Dollar Sportsman. I'm here just trying out some of the new Zan projectiles, slugs, from my Brocock Sniper Magnum XR. I'm at the Utah Airguns range, which is awesome. I love these guys. I'm just gonna see if I can sight this in and turn this into a dedicated slug gun. So, I'm having fun. I hope you are too. Just have a good time out there. Happy New Year. Alright, let's try the 35 grain. Same for the bottom of the left. Bottom right. Not bad. Not bad. Alright, let's do the top left. Wow, that is fun. Those slugs are awesome. This is only 35 yards, but it is doing really well. And you can see that the groups just tighten up as the barrel's getting used to the slugs. But I think this is going to be a great match. Yeah. Right, I'm using the 35 grain again because it shot about the same as the 33, but I want to see what velocities we're getting. So let's see if the lab radar will pick me up. I'm a little loud in here. And let's do top right. .854. Same hole, 847. 848. 847. And 848. Not too shabby. All right, let's try the 33 grain. I want to see exactly the velocity difference that we're getting, and then we'll decide what we want to do in terms of foot-pounds here. So let's give that a go. All right, we got the 33 grains in there. Let's aim for, let's just aim in the left quadrant there. 863. Same hole, 868. Same hole again, holy crap. 864. 864. Knew I moved a little bit on that one. 864, wow. So the accuracy is really good with both of them. I think it's a little better with 33 grain. And that actually makes a lot of sense because this I normally shoot the pellets out of that are 34 grain pellets, JSB heavies. But yeah, I'm very impressed with that. I think the 33 grain might be the way to go. Oh, yeah. Hey, that's fun. That's really fun. Zan projectiles, Brocock Sniper Magnum XR. This is unmoderated. I'll probably put a moderator on there eventually. But yeah, I'm liking this setup. This is an Aztec Emerald scope. This is second focal plane. I do prefer first focal plane normally, but I do like this scope a lot, and it's got the magnification that I need too. So, yeah, 35 yards. So this is cool. You can see the, now I was using a couple different grains, right? But this will show you the velocity at 8 yards, at 50 yards, stay on, 75, 106, 55. I wasn't shooting that far out, but using these numbers, I can calculate the ballistic coefficient for each of these slugs, and that's what I intend to do. And that should give me some good data, so I can put that into Strelok Pro and calculate some longer shots using these. But 864 with a 33 grain slug is pretty freaking awesome. Okay guys, let's just shoot some steel for fun. We've got KYL targets out there, very small. Let's see if I can hit them or not. Not sure that I can, honestly, but we'll have fun trying. There it goes. It's like 32-ish yards. What about the next one? barely nicked it. Let's do that one again. There it goes. Okay, smallest one. There it goes. Woo! Yeah, okay, we got some other steel out there just for fun. Oh, that's too easy now. Too easy. Oh yeah, let's go for that small KYL again one more time. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, that's just too much fun. There's a squirrel back there. Got it. And bigger squirrel. Oh. Let's check him out. We're having too much fun. Woo! Yes. Okay. Not too shabby. We need to get this out to 100 next time, but I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Guys, thanks for coming. I hope you guys are having fun. Happy New Year. I'll see you guys soon. We've got some very fun stuff planned for American Airgun, and for my channel, it's going to be rocking. So keep watching. Also, you can pick up your Airgunner t-shirt on American Airgunner's shop. I'll put it in the link below. So yeah, pick up your shirt.
Yes! You guys excited?
Yes, excited.
Yeah! Yes, it was. This is going to be a fun adventure.
Yeah.
Well done. That was awesome. Did you see that? Woo! Yeah! You can do this. Get out there. Let's go do this. Woo! He's so fired up. This guy. I love this guy.